G'day folks, I'm at Peterborough today on the Great Ocean Road, and I thought I would give you all a little bit of history about this Peterborough Bridge, because it's a great bridge and it's a nice day, so today is as good as any. There used to be a ferry to cross the river. To summons the ferry from the far side of the river, they would ring a bell that came from a ship off one of the shipwrecks in the area. One night they tried to summon the ferry to get a doctor for a sick man, but the wind and storms were so strong the ferryman didn't hear the bell, so the doctor never came and the sick man sadly died. After that, in the mid-1920s, the community came together to get a bridge built. In 1927 the first pylon was put in the ground, and the bridge was opened at a cost of around $9,000. Later that year the bridge was finished and the final link in the completion of the Great Ocean Road was also completed. The bridge was made from timber from local trees. 57 years later the pylons had been attacked by white ants and the steel pins rusted. So they built this new bridge that was finished in 1987. At a total cost of $2 million. Well, there you go folks, a little bit of history on the Peterborough Bridge on the Great Ocean Road. It's a beautiful spot, and as you can see today, the water is really low, so you can safely swim and paddle your boards around and fish like the guy behind me. So it's really nice. Sometimes though, the water comes rushing through here and straight out to sea, and it's very dangerous and it'll be well above your head. So you just got to pick your days, and usually around summer, the summer months are a whole lot nicer, but it's beautiful. It's got the township through here, caravan park right on the river over there, plenty of beach walking at Peterborough, some reasonably safe rock pools to swim in, a very nice beach for walking on, but to be honest the beach is not real safe because you get big waves and a big undertow coming off the beach there, so you want to be careful about that. But all around here, around the bridge, the right time of year, around the summer months usually, it's very, very nice and very safe, and you should have yourself a good time if you ever come and visit. Alright, see you next time.
Well, g'day folks, if you're interested in improving your life in every way possible, you can go to my website at billgray.net, look under the store category and look for the Goal Chart program, my course, which is a step-by-step guide to improving every aspect of your life. Look under that, look it up, check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them. And if you want to contact me, you can do so through my website. The link's in the description below. See you next time.